Integrating 3dcart with Mailchimp. Before you begin with the integration, you'll first need to log into your Mailchimp account and create a mailing list for your online store. Once that's complete, you can proceed with the rest of the integration. Let's start by logging into your 3dcart online store manager. Using the left-hand navigation menu, go to Modules. Search for Mailchimp in the top search bar to bring up the module, and then click on the Settings button to proceed. Now click on the Connect to Mailchimp button. Enter your Mailchimp credentials to connect and allow the page to redirect back to your online store manager. Now you can configure the rest of the module. Select Add New Store from the Mailchimp Store dropdown. Enter a name for your store and select your list from the second dropdown. Alternately, if your store is already listed, just select it from the drop-down list as shown. Your store is now ready to send your mailing list subscribers to Mailchimp. Additionally, 3dcart offers e-commerce integration with Mailchimp. This allows you to add product recommendations to your marketing emails, or use pre-built segments to view and target different types of customers with personalized offers. You can even turn on e-commerce tracking in your campaigns to record your customer purchases and measure your ROI. The e-commerce integration includes the following options. Sync customers. This synchronizes your store's customers to your Mailchimp list. By enabling this, all your existing customers will be transmitted to Mailchimp, so make sure your Mailchimp account limits can accommodate those additions. Sync products. This will synchronize your store's products to Mailchimp, allowing you to use their product recommendation functions. Sync carts. This will synchronize your not completed orders so that they can be used with Mailchimp's abandoned cart solution. Sync orders. This synchronizes your orders with Mailchimp, allowing you to use their segmentation tools. Once you have configured your settings, click here to enable the module, and then click Save. After synchronization is complete, the bottom section of the page will show the sync status. In the event that you need to disconnect from the integration, simply uncheck the Enable checkbox, save, and then click on the Disconnect from Mailchimp button.